Are you looking for a way to take control of your blood sugar levels while still enjoying delicious meals? Discover the ultimate 7-day meal plan, specially designed for individuals with diabetes. This scientifically crafted menu not only helps stabilize blood sugar but also ensures balanced nutrition to enhance your overall health. Join us as we unveil this transformative meal plan, your golden key to a healthier, happier life. Watch now and take the first step towards mastering your diabetes journey. 1. Menu Day 1. Healthy meal plan for a balanced day. Maintaining a balanced diet is essential for overall health and energy management. Here's a suggested daily meal plan designed to provide sustained energy while supporting heart health and stable blood sugar levels. Breakfast *. Start your day with a slice of whole grain bread paired with a boiled egg, accompanied by a glass of unsweetened milk or green tea. This combination offers slow-digesting carbohydrates and protein, ensuring a steady energy supply without spiking blood sugar levels. Lunch *. A wholesome midday meal includes 1 cup of brown rice, 100 grams of pan-seared salmon rich in omega-3 fatty acids, stir-fried greens with garlic, and a small apple. This balanced plate delivers essential nutrients like fiber, healthy fats, and lean protein, promoting heart health and satiety. Dinner *. End the day with a bowl of oatmeal cooked with mushrooms, steamed vegetables such as broccoli and carrots, and a glass of unsweetened cucumber juice. This light yet nourishing meal aids digestion and supports restful sleep without causing nighttime blood sugar fluctuations. This thoughtfully curated meal plan emphasizes nutrient-dense foods, offering a practical approach to maintaining energy and overall well-being throughout the day. 2. Menu Day 2. Maintaining a balanced diet is key to overall health. Here's a daily meal plan designed to detoxify the body while providing essential nutrients. Breakfast *. Start your day with a nutritious combination of unsweetened yogurt mixed with chia seeds, paired with a slice of whole grain bread and half an avocado. Chia seeds help regulate blood sugar, while whole grain bread offers complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. Lunch *. For lunch, enjoy a bowl of quinoa, 100 g of grilled chicken breast, a serving of spinach soup with shrimp, and a pear. Quinoa, known as a superfood, is nutrient-dense and has minimal impact on blood sugar levels, making it an excellent choice for midday energy. Dinner *. End the day with a light yet satisfying meal, a plate of vegetable salad drizzled with olive oil, steamed basa fish, and a cup of chamomile tea. The salad provides essential vitamins and minerals, while chamomile tea promotes relaxation and better sleep quality. This carefully curated meal plan supports detoxification, stabilizes blood sugar, and ensures a healthy intake of nutrients, making it ideal for those seeking a balanced lifestyle. 3. Menu Day 3. Maintaining energy throughout the day is essential, especially for those managing conditions like diabetes. A thoughtfully planned diet can make a significant difference. Here's a sample meal plan designed to keep you energized and healthy. Breakfast *. Start your day with a slice of whole grain bread topped with peanut butter, a glass of unsweetened orange juice, and 5 almonds. This combination of healthy fats and protein ensures sustained energy levels. Lunch *. Opt for a nutrient-packed meal with brown rice, stir-fried beef and celery, pumpkin soup with minced meat, and a kiwi. Beef provides zinc and iron for strength, while pumpkin helps regulate blood sugar. Dinner *. Keep it light with chicken pho, without noodles, boiled greens, and a small banana. This easily digestible meal promotes relaxation and better sleep. 4. Menu Day 4. Maintaining a balanced diet is key to staying energized and healthy. Here's a suggested meal plan for a day, focusing on nourishment from within. Breakfast *. Start your day with a creamy avocado smoothie blended with unsweetened almond or soy milk. Pair it with a slice of whole grain bread and a sunny side-up egg. This combination provides healthy fats to stabilize blood sugar and protein to support muscle recovery. Lunch *. Enjoy a wholesome meal with a bowl of brown rice, 100 g of braised fish seasoned with pepper, and steamed amaranth greens, or alternatives like bok choy or choy sum. Finish with a fresh plum. Brown rice offers fiber for sustained fullness, while fish delivers protein and omega-3 fatty acids for heart health. The greens aid digestion and add essential vitamins. Dinner *. Opt for a comforting bowl of pumpkin soup cooked with chicken, alongside a small roasted sweet potato, and a cup of unsweetened green tea. Pumpkin promotes good digestion and regulates blood sugar, while sweet potato provides slow-releasing carbs for steady energy overnight. This thoughtful meal plan emphasizes nutrient-dense ingredients to fuel your body and mind throughout the day. 5. Menu Day 5. Maintaining cardiovascular and digestive health is crucial for overall well-being. A balanced diet rich in nutrients plays a key role in supporting these vital systems. Below is a recommended daily meal plan designed to enhance heart and digestive health. Breakfast *. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal prepared with nut milk, paired with a small apple and a cup of ginger tea. Oatmeal's soluble fiber helps lower cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar, while ginger tea aids digestion with its anti-inflammatory properties. Lunch *. Enjoy a nourishing meal of brown rice, steamed shrimp with lemongrass, spinach soup with lean pork, and a small orange. Shrimp provides protein, spinach helps regulate blood sugar, and oranges supply vitamin C to boost immunity. Dinner *. Opt for a mixed vegetable salad with olive oil, complemented by boiled chicken breast and a glass of unsweetened grapefruit juice. The salad provides essential nutrients, olive oil offers healthy fats, and chicken breast serves as a lean protein source. Grapefruit juice adds antioxidants for heart health. This meal plan incorporates whole foods, lean proteins, and nutrient-dense ingredients to promote optimal cardiovascular and digestive function. Adopting such a routine can be a significant step toward a healthier lifestyle. 6. Menu Day 6. A balanced diet rich in fiber and protein is essential for maintaining overall health, particularly for individuals managing conditions like diabetes. Below is a sample meal plan designed to provide essential nutrients while keeping blood sugar levels stable. Breakfast *. Start your day with a roasted sweet potato, a cup of unsweetened yogurt, and 5 walnuts. Sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates for steady energy, while yogurt and walnuts offer protein and healthy fats. Lunch *. Enjoy a bowl of brown rice paired with steamed shrimp seasoned with lemongrass and cilantro, alongside a bowl of gourd soup with shrimp. Add a small orange for dessert. This combination ensures a balance of protein, vitamins, and cooling properties, suitable for those with diabetes. Dinner *. Conclude your day with a bowl of mung bean porridge cooked with chicken, accompanied by steamed vegetables like broccoli, pumpkin, and carrots. A glass of unsweetened grapefruit juice completes the meal. Mung beans support digestion and weight management, while the vegetables are packed with vitamins to boost overall health. This meal plan emphasizes nutrient-dense foods that are both delicious and beneficial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. 7. Menu for Day 7. Maintaining stable energy levels and promoting health requires a balanced diet. Below is a suggested daily meal plan for optimal nutrition. Breakfast *. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal cooked with almond or unsweetened soy milk, paired with a small banana and a glass of unsweetened lemon water. Oatmeal provides healthy carbohydrates for stable blood sugar, while bananas are rich in potassium and essential vitamins. Lemon water aids digestion and detoxification. Lunch *. A nutritious midday meal includes a serving of brown rice, stir-fried chicken breast with vegetables like bell peppers, mushrooms, and pumpkin, accompanied by a bowl of gourd soup with lean pork and a small apple. Brown rice is high in fiber for blood sugar control, while the chicken and vegetables offer protein and vitamins. The soup is light and supports digestion. Dinner *. End the day with a fresh salad of leafy greens, tomatoes, cucumbers, and chia seeds dressed in olive oil, alongside 100 g of turmeric grilled fish and a glass of unsweetened cucumber juice. The salad provides fiber and nutrients, while the fish offers anti-inflammatory omega-3s. Cucumber juice refreshes and detoxifies.